In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can put money into Binance. If you are a Filipino, okay, this is the video for you. I'm going to teach you guys how to put money in Binance with really low fees, and of course, so that you will not go into to some platforms like maybe Coins.ph that are charging a really big amount of money when you are buying some crypto into their platform. So let's just get started here. So as you can see here, I am in the login page of Binance, and as you can see, they are prompting me that is saying that please use your Binance app to scan the QR code to log in. So what I'm just going to do right here is I'm going to open my phone right now. So I'm going to log in into my Binance phone account, and then I'm just going to click the scan QR code inside my phone, and I'm going to scan this one. Okay, so I'm done scanning it. I'm going to authorize it. Okay, and I recently got logged in onto this account. So it's really easy. Okay, the first thing that you need to know is, of course, what are the banks you are using. So I'm going to put it here. Okay, you need to know what kind of banks you are having. Okay, first is banks that you are using. Okay, so when you figure out if you're using Gcash, if you're using phone, you're using some cards like BPI, BDO, or something like that, what you could probably do is just go straight into P2P. Okay, it is P2P. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to recommend you is to buy, if you want to put crypto in Binance, buy in USD or BUSD, not on BTC or Ethereum. You know why? It is because people that are selling BTC and Ethereum are the people that are pretty much selling it in higher amounts. Okay, so I would recommend you to only buy in USDT and in BNB and in BUSD, because you will also have a basis. Okay, you will also have a basis on what kind of how much you could probably buy, and you can also see if the seller are pretty much making a lot of money and just like trying to make a lot of money from you, because you can't really transfer inside to Binance. So as you can see here, the current price of USDT is 48.65. It is not bad at all. If you're gonna go to BUSD, it is 48.98, which is not bad at all, because USDT and BUSD are the stable coins that reflects the US. Okay, so what I'm just going to do right here is, of course, I'm going to check the payment right here. Okay, it's bank transfer pay Maya Union Bank of the Philippines. If you're using different fiat, okay, if you're using different fiat, you can actually put your money, okay, via their own bank transfer. So they do also have their own banks as well. So if you're living into this country, probably you can still put money into Binance. Okay, even if you're living at South Korea or something like that, okay, you can still put money on Binance. So what you just going to do right here is, of course, if you're using Paymaya, then just buy this one. Okay, when you're buying it, just make sure that you check it, you check the specified. Okay, you check the price, you check the available, okay, the maximum that you can actually buy. Okay, because sellers are having this minimum amount and maximum amount, and just put the money right here. As you can see here, I want to pay 1,000 to 75,000. It is because the max amount for this P2P seller is 75,000 PHP. So I'm just going to put this one. Okay, and then what you just need to do is just click this button right here, and then you will be prompted into a different browser where you can start chatting with people. You can start chatting with the seller, and of course, in this part right here, you will send the money first, and then after you've payment, okay, after you send the money to them, you can probably go into the next step where they will deposit your money. So just few guidelines here. you don't need to be pretty much scared on this one. It is because it is secured by Binance. Okay, you can just report it anytime, and it's really easy, it's really fast. Okay, what you just need is around 5 minutes to put money, and now you're done. So that is it for this video, guys. So it is Binance P2P, buy and sell your crypto locally, and you can trade with zero fees. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.